In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla app not available in your country. So let's get started. So first of all, I need you to guide yourselves onto this website, tesla.com/owner's manual, and then click on the car that you own. And then proceed to choose the language you're compatible with, and now you'll be redirected to a page with a bunch of options to the left. Here, I want you to click on the drop-down option for connectivity and then click on mobile app. Here you will probably find information about perhaps the regions it's available on and basically how to go ahead and install it. Okay. So anyways, I will be now giving you fixes on how to install app even though you're in a region that's not compatible with the Tesla app. So first of all, why does this happen? Well, Tesla limits its app availability based on regions. If your country isn't on the list, you won't find it in the App Store. But here's the good news, we can bypass this easily. If you're on an iPhone, here's what to do. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, Media and Purchases, View Account, and then tap Country/Region, and switch it to a supported country like the US or Canada. Once you agree to the terms, you're all set to download the app. Just note, if you have an active subscription or Apple Wallet balance, Apple might not let you change regions. In that case, you can create a new Apple ID with the right region instead. Android users, you have two options. First, try opening the Google Play Store, tap your profile, settings, general, account and device preferences, and switch your country. But there's a catch. You can only do this once a year, and you need a payment method from that country. No worries if that's an issue, just download the Tesla app directly from a trusted site like APK Mirrors. Go to the website, search for Tesla, download the latest version and install it. Just make sure you enable install unknown apps in your settings first. Still stuck? A VPN might help. Download a VPN app, connect to a country where the Tesla app is available, and then refresh your app store. Sometimes this helps Google Play recognize the new region faster. Alright guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.